Hey Redhawks, we are going to give you a tour through the student startup page and some basics about Teams and getting to Canvas. So when you get your computer, you're going to be set up through the NC Ed Cloud system. If you have any issues with that, please talk to your homeroom teacher, your Red Hawk Time teacher, or our computer tech. And then Canvas is where you'll probably go the second most amount. That is our learning management system. So you have to be signed in order to get to that. Now, Microsoft Teams is what a lot of our school is using to do live meetings virtually. So you'll click on this icon as well as have links perhaps directly in Canvas as well. Always check with your teacher to see how they schedule. So when I click on Teams, because I'm already signed in, it looks a little bit different. But basically, if you weren't signed in, I have this video here to show you what that looks like. So what you're going to do is you are going to use that ID number that you used to sign in, and instead of having that @student at the end of your email, you're just going to have at ucps.k12.nc.us. So we'll watch a few minutes of this so you can see.
Sign into my Microsoft account. Students, your Microsoft account is that 8 to 10 digit number that I shared with you, but it does not have @student.ucps.k12.nc.us. You will be asked to enter that, and you will have to enter here. You enter your password. Once you enter your password, you can check this box to say, do not show this again. That will log your browser in your Chromebook in your browser into Microsoft Teams every time it loads. Go ahead and click yes. Now you will see in the top right hand corner that you are logged in and it has your name. Okay? Then you can turn your camera on or off. It's suggested that you turn your camera and your microphone off while you join the meeting. Once you get into the meeting, I just clicked join now. You can still toggle your camera on and toggle your camera off. Once you're in the meeting, you can raise your hand and you can use the chat. But please make sure that you follow your teacher's instructions on when it's appropriate to raise your hand and use the chat.
So that's a brief intro from our lead tech and innovation coordinator, Ms. Rimmer. Now, when you are looking at classes, so say, for example, I have Ms. Jones. When you sign in here, I'm going to select Canvas, and that'll bring you to Ms. Jones. You'll see all your courses in your course list and in your dashboard. So now that I am ready to attend language arts today, I'm going to scroll through her homepage. Oh my gosh, she's got like so much information about her. Tell me I'm here. Yep, got to do my attendance. Okay, so let's say that I need to figure out what's happening today. So I'm going to click on today's tasks and I'm going to click on this week. And here we go. So here's the link to join live. So all I need to do is click there, make sure I'm already signed in, like I already checked, and sign into her Microsoft Teams lesson. I can also see today's lesson, and everything that I have to do is linked right here. That's awesome. So I just check each day, and here I go. I know exactly what I'm doing for the week. So I can sort of get the lay of the land for language arts, set up there. I can click here for info when I get lost, which is perfect. Okay, so let's say now I need to go to social studies. So again, you can go to your courses dashboard. I'm just going to switch views since being a teacher, I don't always have the same views as everyone else. So here I see my to-do list. I have a few things that I need to get done. So this is a great way to just generally check what I have happening. I can see this week, previous week's announcements, and attendance. So I'm going to check the calendar because I know Mr. Irvin schedules everything from the calendar, which is awesome. So I'm going to click here to go to that meet with Irvin. And that's how I can get into my live section. So I'm going to join that meet and it is all good. And now I know exactly where I'm going. I'm already signed in and there's Mr. Irvin's class. Okay, so now it's time for math with Miss Luprette. Okay, so I see that I have my attendance. Click on the button and fill out the form below. Suggested schedule. Okay, check my emails, work on the warm-ups, attend live lessons 9:30 to 10. Okay, complete assignments and submit. So I can see I've got a few things on my to-do list that I need to take care of. So this is a really great way to see sort of where you are at with all of your assignments. And then I also have all these links in these buttons here. So I click here to do my attendance. I have a live link button right here. So I can click there to attend live classes. Again, hopefully I'm still signed in from signing into Microsoft Teams from the startup page. If not, just sign in again. And then I can attend those live lessons from 9:30 to 10 if this is the time that I have that class. Now, I also see I can check my weekly work expectations, can contact the teacher and learn other important information here and see my schedule for the week. So I'm going to click on my weekly work just to make sure that I have the lay of the land here. So I can see, let's go up to this week. Okay, so Monday I had an IXL, Alex, Brain Pop. Okay, so Tuesday I have IXL, exponents, and my live lesson. And I can click here to see every day. Every day is labeled with everything that I need to take care of. And so, y'all, as you're navigating Canvas, know that there's lots of tools here for you. I can check my announcements, make sure there is nothing that I've missed that Miss Lou Pratt has shared. And really just make sure that I totally know what's going on in my classes. So as you can see, even though every class has a little bit of their own setup, you can join teams through the startup page and then just check your teacher's Canvas pages. It's right there. They all have links right on their home pages or in their courses with each day. So just check with your teacher if you're not sure where to go, and enjoy all of the beautiful learning that is happening. All right, Red Hawks, have a great day.